bad days won't last forever, but sometimes you just need those days in order to recharge yourself and come back with more energy than ever.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you my August monthly reset. I have so much amazing parts to this video, so I want you to grab something to eat or drink, or even put on this video while you're doing your own personal monthly reset, and let us get into it. I finally got my bathroom floating shelves installed, so we're going to go ahead and set that up. I am unboxing some items that I got from Amazon. One of the things that I got was a scalp massager. Then I got some loofahs, body gloves, as well as a drain catcher. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my shower with these and some other of my body care products. As you can probably see, a lot of the items are pink. I had this really just dreamy vision of having like tons of pink items on my floating shelf, so it looks very aesthetic. So I have just been collecting as I go, waiting for the day for my shelves to go up, and it has finally come.
No, I never meant to make plans, take chances, cynic. Love was nothing but a train crash, a fast track to lyrics. Yeah, I guess you gotta make plans to break them. One look at your face and I was down bad, way past inhibition. I can feel your echo through the space that once was hollow.
So this is how my shelves look. I am in love with the pink and white aesthetic of it. Very simple. My skincare routine is very minimal as well because I do have eczema, so I have to be really careful about what I use on my skin. But I honestly cannot wait to explore more skincare, as well as things that are meant for eczema prone skin that are in really cute packaging as well. I have to shout out this drain catching situation because I washed my hair and it caught all of my hair in it. So I'm really excited and looking forward to not having my bathroom clogged. I will link all of my Amazon purchases down below if you'd like to shop anything. On the theme of organizing, I got these really gorgeous shoe organizers. They're white with clear compartments like these that I love. You just pull it down and you can easily grab your shoes. You can easily see what you want. And this is perfect because I did not have a shoe storage situation in my new home. These were actually from Temu and I was really impressed with the quality of it. I also did a little unboxing, so I will link that in so you can go ahead and see how I set it up. At the start of a new month, something that is my biggest priority, or one of my biggest priorities, is stocking up my fruits and vegetables, going to the grocery, and just getting items that I'll be able to prep. You will see some of my prepping later on in this video, but this honestly helps me choose better food instead of buying out or constantly feeling the need to eat snacks or just eat things that are more unhealthy. One of the best things that you can do for yourself is be mindful and intentional of the food that you bring into your home, because this is in turn what you're going to be consuming and what you're going to be putting into your body.
Weekends, whenever thinking about you in the AM, PM, wherever. Yeah, I'm in up to my neck, I'm in over my head, I think I'm in too deep.
Okay, let's do a little quick haul of some of the items that I got. I got some tomatoes, peeled garlic. I have been loving peeled garlic because I feel like if when I had to actually peel garlic, I would waste it. It would just be messy. And now I buy peeled garlic and I keep it in the freezer so that it would last a lot longer because it's just myself. And I feel like when I did not know about this, I would always be throwing out garlic, and now my garlic lasts for months. I also got some mini bell peppers, baby creamer potatoes, radishes, broccoli microgreens, a chobani drink. I also got frozen salmon, which I cannot wait to eat because I have not eaten salmon in so long. When I was in my move-in process, I was eating so poorly, and salmon is definitely something I missed having. I got some plain yogurt and romaine lettuce, which is like my favorite type of greens, like salad base to eat right now. Okay, let us go unpack and prep our meals for this week and prep our fruits and vegetables.
I don't regret, I don't object, I just fall right at your feet. I can feel your echo through the space that once was hollow, filling up the corners of my mind. Told you this was temporary, didn't I? But you changed my mind like the weather when I saw you wearing my sweatshirt. Told myself I wasn't ready, terrified. Thought I'd be alone forever, but now we're alone together. Hyper-fixated, hyper-ventilated. I see nothing but you when we're alone together. Underrated or under-medicated. Lose my mind over you when we're alone together. Do you know what it feels like to wish you were someone else? Anybody else but yourself? Have you ever felt the gravity of life pulling you down, treading water as you slowly start to drown? Scrolling through my socials.
I have a salad every single day, and something that helps me so much is prepping my lettuce. Instead of like pulling out a few leaves at a time, it's just so counterproductive. If I just chop everything up, wash it, I will have it ready for that entire week. So that is the way I've been living right now, and let me just say it's been life-changing. Something else I've been doing and being more consistent and serious with is soaking and washing my vegetables properly. I use baking soda and some white vinegar and really let it soak and strain it out, and a lot of just nastiness comes out of it. You'll be so shocked to see how much just gross things are in your fruits and vegetables. So this has been something that I've been really serious about doing.
All at a party while I sit here at home, smiling in a picture, but I sink in my soul, cause I feel like someone I don't even know. I've been running from my life.
Cucumbers are another vegetable that is very easy to prep. I peel everything, chop it up, and this makes it so easy to grab and put into my salads, or it makes it really easy to just grab as a snack in general, and it's so healthy. You just have to add some salt and black pepper to it, and it's just like so good for you.
In a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. I wish I could fight this anxiety in my chest, depression in my mind, so afraid to be seen. Do you know?
I know that initially this might seem like a lot of work to do, but once you get into the habit of it, and once you get into the mindset of just prepping your vegetables and being intentional about what you eat and what you do and what you have in your home, it is going to be so much easier to follow up with, and it's going to be something that you actually enjoy doing.
What it feels like to leave a party by yourself when everybody's leaving with somebody.
By now my lettuce would have been soaking for a while, and oh my goodness, Coco is just so curious. She's the cutest thing ever. I love how she just sits there and watches everything, so observant. So I washed my lettuce, and now I'm gonna go ahead and use my salad spinner to just get rid of all of the moisture. I got the salad spinner on Amazon and I love it so much. Not only is it pink, but it is life-changing because it really truly gets rid of all of the water that is in your lettuce, and it prevents it from getting like soggy during the week.
And they're blowing up their Instagrams with lives all framed in gold. Seeing everyone else happy takes a toll. Scrolling through my socials and I feel so alone. Friends out at a party while I sit here at home, smiling at a picture but I sink in my soul. I think I need to throw away my phone. I've been running from my life, hiding in a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. I wish I could fight this anxiety in my chest, depression in my mind, so afraid to be seen. Whoa, 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 whoa. Now you know that I've been running from my life, hiding in a 3x5-inch fake plastic screen. You and me could fight this anxiety inside us, depression in our minds, not afraid to be seen. Whoa, 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 whoa.
I felt really inspired to grab some pineapple. Unfortunately, my pineapple, like half of it was completely rotted, but nonetheless, I chopped off the skin, which I'm going to be using to boil and make some like pineapple tea. It's just something I've been trying. It actually tasted really good. I will probably do a recipe in another video on Instagram or something like that, but this is another easy snack option. It is tedious, I'm not gonna lie. Peeling pineapple is not the most fun thing, but at the end of it all, I love how all of my fruits and vegetables came out. I loved having it just so easily accessible to me throughout the week. I was able to just grab whatever I wanted whenever I was hungry or just wanted to snack and munch on something. If you have not like prepped your vegetables and fruits before, this is something that I highly recommend because it truly will change the way that you eat.
My hands are shaking, stifle my breath. You look so lovely, it scares me to death. I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so sure. Don't know what it is, but you make me wanna stay, take a leap.
Every month, I love having some sort of beauty maintenance. For me, that is two things: my lashes and my nails. I'm getting my normal French tips, and I'm also gonna get my hair washed and blow dried and trimmed a little because it has been something that I have been needing so badly.
I know that you save, I know that you save me. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. Butterfly feeling, edge of a cliff. Rush of adrenaline in your kiss. Tethered up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, this atmospheric pressure, something when you pull me in. You make me wanna stay, take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe, I know. You'll be my parachute, baby, know you'll catch me whenever I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000.
My hair feels and looks so amazing now. This is something that I really needed, and one of my goals was to be really consistent with taking care of my hair and scheduling quarterly hair treatments. I also got some new skincare products from It Cosmetics, and this is just PR, so I decided to share it with you since I thought that it would fit in perfectly with a monthly reset. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know I did not do my monthly goals or intentions. I'm so sorry, but this week has been really crazy for me, and I really didn't get a chance to sit down and film it. I really wanted to make sure and be consistent with my monthly reset routines, and I hope that you got some inspiration from it. Thumbs it up if you enjoyed it, and if you're looking forward for my next monthly reset, don't forget to also subscribe so you wouldn't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.